Hi, good afternoon. It is 4:27 p.m. Eastern Time. We have a tornado warning in effect for Marshall, Jackson, and Madison counties in northeastern and north central Alabama. Currently watching these storms as we have a tornado warning in effect for them, as I just said. We're going to see what they do. Now, this is the only severe warning besides flash flooding across the country. I believe the storm did have some pretty strong rotation earlier, but by the looks of it, the rotation has weakened down. This is moving into Jackson County. I believe it's currently in Marshall. Apologies there. We still have a little bit of rotation. It might be trying to recycle around there, which does line up with a little bit of a hook pattern right here. So this is heading in the direction of Scottsboro, but it's not expected to be hit there in Scottsboro until probably about an hour.
Are you right back? 27, I'm on the phone with 28.
So this is still in effect. We're in the area of Huntsville, same county Huntsville's in. It's coming from southern Madison County, moving into Jackson County. So that's the main threat right now. And it's going to be moving into northern, relatively northwestern Georgia here shortly, but that'll probably be in a few hours. And I doubt it that it will have any tornado potential by then. Okay, we're having a new scan in. And it seemed to have just broken apart. New scanner and coming in on velocity.
Eleven 1026.
Go ahead, Leslie.
PHP fibers.
No, Douglas, need to respond. 37 Miller Drive, 37 Miller Drive, 82-year-old male, chest pain.
Okay, the tornado warning has been canceled. Once again, the tornado warning has been canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has weakened. Therefore, it's been allowed to be canceled. So this tornado warning is no longer in effect. By looking at the radar, there's like no rotation whatsoever. And to be completely honest, there wasn't much rotation to begin with. As you just saw there, it's gone now. This tornado warning has been dropped. There's nothing to worry about. Let's quickly take a look at these other storms in the area before we head and log off until the next tornado warning occurs. Yeah, taking a look at the other storms in the area, that doesn't seem like anything's going to happen. Let's go ahead and take a look down here earlier today where we had a tornado warning, or actually 2 tornado warnings be issued in the Shreveport, Louisiana area. Storms have really shifted over here into Mississippi. And yeah, none of them seem to be very conducive for anything. And I think that calls it. It was a little small that tornado warning that lasted about 10 minutes. Just taking a look here.
No one, Douglas, second tone, 37 Miller Drive, 37 Miller Drive, 82-year-old male, chest pain.
The point where I saw the highest amount of rotation would probably been right here. You can see that the colors are colliding very much so right there, and it does line up with reflectivity. I don't know what's going on, y'all. There we go. The storm did seem to have sort of a look. Is that right now, actually? That is right now.
EMA to all units, the tornado warning has been canceled per National Weather Service.
Okay, there it was on the first responders radio.
General, please copy.
No one copy.
But right now we just got a new
Teammate of
scan in.
501, you copy?
We just got a new scan in, and it does seem to have a little bit of rotation on there. I don't know what keeps happening to my radar. Let's go ahead and see something here.
Canceled at this time. Marshall 99 clear, 3:37 p.m.
It does seem to have this tail on it. You can see how this is the main storm, and it has this tail right here. A little bit of rotation there, but not much.
1042. 91 Douglas. 10-4. Third and final tone, 37 Miller Drive, 37 Miller Drive, 82-year-old male, chest pain. Ambulance is going to be coming from Station 3.
Right there. That's probably where a very short-lived tornado happened.
Advise 1050 County Road 267.
Where we even have a little portion that has
1050 County Road 267.
50 mile-an-hour winds versus
now.
6.9. So that's a big difference, which does signify the potential for a tornado. But that is no longer present.
Right now.
And I believe with the latest scan, I just saw that the rotation is kind of gone. Yeah, it's still pretty brief. Not even existent there in the higher tilt because of how weird of a form this storm has. But if anything else happens, if you do get a tornado warning, we will be on it. So thank you for joining the live stream. Know that we'll be right back live if anything happens. And have a good day.
Scott.